Make a great choice today with the 2021 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.